What's the meaning of contemptible? Contemptible. Contemptible.
Contemptible. Contemptible. Contemptible is an adjective used to describe something that is deserving of contempt or scorn. It can refer to a person, behavior, idea, object or situation that is deemed to be low, shameful, dishonorable, or despicable. Examples of contemptible acts may include lying, cheating, stealing, or betraying someone's trust. The term contemptible implies that the thing being described lacks any redeeming qualities, and that it should be avoided or condemned. In short, something that is contemptible is considered to be deeply offensive or repugnant, and is generally looked down upon by society.